Hi, hi everybody. Today I'm gonna open a LOL doll. Do you know why I have two balls of water? Let me explain. So, if you don't know how to read, it's okay. So it says LOL color change surprise. So it color changes when you dip this in there. Don't forget about the ice cubes. So it will freeze up the LOL. You won't see the ice. You see when you know that ice is transparent. When you look through it, you will see that ice has many different kind of colors. Then you'll see that the LOL has color changes. And the warm water here is so that when you put the LOL in the warm water, it will change back it will unfreeze the doll and change back into its normal way. Let's get started. So, do you see the zipper? Yeah. So that's where we start opening. Let me just get that torn for a minute. There we go. Got a torn. Now, I think I will just need scissors. Can I have scissors? Thank you. Now, we got scissors here. We just need to cut it over now, cut it open. We got that. Oh, it's okay. Now it's okay. We don't need the zip to use the zip. Oh, yeah. So we have little kids cannot use the scissors. Please be careful if you're like 1, because 1 year old will get really hurt if they use the scissors. So please, if you're 1 year old, please ask your grown-up your parent for help. We got this. Let's get that. Okay, there. Now. I just need to open this. Oh, this is the... Oh, yes. So, to see the question, we have to dip it in water. There we go. Now that you see that, so it's so now you saw that. See that it was blurry for before. Now that you see that it's like this, look, it is finger plus. She sings all the time right. Wow. And now get it back to the... Oh, and maybe my stuff gets... Now, let's leave it... Let's reuse the trash. And let's put it right over there. Now, let's get this piece out here. Wait. Okay, now. Okay. There. Let me just try this. Oh, it's this way. Let's get that. Okay. My hands are just wet, that's why it's making this harder. Let me just... Yeah, I got it. Got it. Stronger. Yep, got it. Now that you've turned, please... This is very hard, so sometimes 1 year old will need help to open these. Now, where was I? There we go. There, we got this out. Whoa, there's another one to open. Yep, let me do this. Okay. Or where do we start from there? There we go. No, start from there. So, if you're just being careful, if you're 4 years old, it's fine to use the scissors. Let me just get some help. Help, please. Some help now. I got that tour. I'm back now. I got some help from my parent, and let's continue. So now that I got this torrent, let me just continue this. Okay, now let's keep on doing this to get that plastic out of here. There. Now look. Now we got this. And this, and this. Which kind of one is there? Ah, there's the babies. Okay. So this is the chart. Let's first get the baby out of here. Okay, we got this. Let's keep this here. Please. Ooh, there. Glasses. Sunglasses. Cute. Very cute. Let's keep them right over there. Okay. Now, let's do another one. Oh, yes. Got it. So, this one is another type of keychain. See, this is a keychain when you fix it. Okay, now we got this. Okay, let's just do that later. Let's keep this there. Wow, this is in a blind bag? I never seen a blind bag before. Okay. Aww, I didn't know that she was this tiny. Does the sunglasses fit on her? Let's see that. There. See, it fell out. Let me just get that there. Ah, she looks so cute. See? This must be for her big sister. That's how she looks. Now, let's see. Oh, it's already opened. Let's open this. It's a mermaid one. She must be a mermaid baby. She's right in the bag. Now, let's see what part color changes. Look, she's color changed. Now, when you keep her underwater, look, she has color changed. She looks so cute. Let's put her on here. Then she's like that. Aww, she looks so cute. And there. Her hair color change. Then there. There. And there. So when you wipe it a little, goes back to the normal. There's a heart on the back, see? But I touched her again. She's so cute. Let's do that again. You like it, huh? She has a heart on the back. Yeah. keep her back in there. Now, let's keep her in here to dry. She's in right over there. You want to see her again? Okay. As you see this tail there, her heart is still there. Because there, see? There. Let's leave her here. Now, let's see if this one will. It doesn't. Maybe this one. Let's leave it in here. Too. Let's leave it there. Now, let's see which one is her in this. Wait, no, that's not it. This is the one. What's her name? So she must be in this picture. Ah! It's folded so good. Oh, why are the pets in there? Okay. Let's see. Here is it out. This is how it looks. Let's see which one is her. Ah, this one is the one. See? Let's keep her back in there. Now, let's see. Which one is her? Ah. Wait. These are the big sisters here. So, she is, and she is for her, and her pet is there. So, this is the baby. So her name is Lily. No, that's not it. This is the one. Lily Merbaby. Lily Merbaby. And this is Merbaby. And these are all the pets. So this is a pet for this big sister and her. Now, let's see how this little fellow is going. Please watch over her. I'll get a napkin. Back. I got a napkin and let's dry her back out. She must have had a good bath. Now that she's here, let's see if she wants to see. Let's also get this dried up. Okay, we got this right. Now, please, if you're like one, please be careful. If you're like 1, 2, or 3, or 4, please be careful to use these scissors. Bye. Thank you for watching.